Hello children, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn percentage. It's unit 11. We'll get in page number 112. And these are the two subtopics I'm going to cover in this video. Simple percentage, calculating percentage. And children, I have already given you the definitions of percent and percentage in my PPT. I hope you have gone through. Good. So let's go straight to the point. Let's take here 30 upon 100. Now what percent it is? Percent means out of 100. Is it clear? So out of 100. It's out of 100. So it is 30%. The answer is 30%. Clear? One more example we'll take. Just say like 40 out of 100. What is the percentage here? Since it's out of 100, it's 40. 40%. The answer is 40%. Is that okay? Now, sometimes you might be get like this also. Now, what is the percent here? You cannot say 10% because it's not out of 100, and percent means out of 100. Here easily I can say it's 30% because it's already out of 100. Here also I can say 40% because it's out of 100. Is it out of 100? No. So what you need to do here is you have to try this denominator, try to change it to 100. How will you do that? 10 by 20. Now 20 times how much is 100? 20 times 1, 20, 20 times 2, 40, 20 times 3, 60, 20 times 4, 80, 20 times 5, 100. Okay? So if I write here 5, I have to write here 2. Done? 10 times 5, 50. 20 times 5, 100. You see that? It's now out of 100. Now I can say it's a 50%. Simple. Now I can say that it's a 50%. 10 by 20 means 50%. Is that clear? Okay. Sometimes the denominator, here denominator, this 20 tables you will easily get 100. It's so simple. It's very good. 25 to 100. But sometimes the denominator will be like 20, just say 24 or 30. In 30 table you will never get 100. Example, in that case, what will you do? That's why I'm going to teach you two methods. Okay? You can apply any methods. So this is just a first method. First method you do in this way. Try to make denominator 100 so that you can find out the percentage easily. Well, this is our first method. Now let's do second method. Let me take the same question so that you will understand properly. Okay, 10 by 20. You know that 10 by 20 means 50%. And this is the first method. The second method is any fraction. These are fractions, right? Any fractions. If you want to convert it into percentage, all you need to do is just multiply by 100. That's it. Is it clear? Let's do it. 10 by 20. I'll multiply by 100. Then this will turn into percentage. And these are the symbol of, this is the symbol of percentage, right? Okay. Now what you need to do is you have to simplify. Numerator 1 0, denominator 1 0. I can cancel, right? Denominator only 2 left. This 2 and 10 I can cancel, right? 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, 10. Both I cancel by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 5, 10. Correct? Now what is left? Numerator 5 right here times right here 10. I'll write here. Denominator what is left? 1, which we never saw, right? I already told you, and you know, right? Every number has denominator, every number has 1 as denominator, but we never saw. So we'll not saw here, right? These are in percent. 5 times 10, 50. You see that? This is your first method. This is your second method. Okay? The first method, numerator will be like a different number, like apart from 100. So your duty is to check whether in 20 table 100 is there or not. If it is there, search. 20 times 5, 20. That 5 you take upside also, multiply. It will be in this way, out of 100. So this means 50%. Okay? Or just multiply by 100 and do simplification on these questions. You will get the percentage easily. Is that clear? I'm going to solve question number 1, textual question. That you will get in page number 130. Please go through your questions. It says, write down the fractions shaded in each diagram, then write the fraction as a percentage. First you have to write in fraction. After that you have to change it to percentage. Is that okay? So this is your question. This is your diagram, and here they have shaded 1, 2, 3 parts. So your question asks you, write down the fraction shaded. So how many are shaded? So in fraction. Let's see. What you need to do is, first you count how many boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total boxes 4. You see that? Now the question is talking about shaded part only. So you just observe how many parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. Is that okay? Now if the question asks you, find the fractions of unshaded part. Shade. You write 4, since total is 4. Never change. How many are unshaded? Only 1. Finished. We're not going to deal with this because your question is talking about shaded part only. So 3 parts are shaded out of 4. This is your first part of your answer. Is that clear? This is in fraction. Now they said that fraction again you have to change into percentage. You write the fractions into percentage. And you know very well, to convert fraction into percentage, all you need to do is multiply by 100, right? So in percentage. Copy the fraction. Any fraction when you multiply by 100, it will turn into percentage. Remember that. That is one method, right? I taught you 2 methods. I'm applying the second method. Can you cancel this 2? In 4 table will you get 100? Of course, right? 4 times 25. Correct? 4 times 25, 100. Now your next step is, here only 3 left, multiply sign, here only 25 left. Percent symbol is there. The last step, 3 times 25, 5, 15, 3 to 6. You got it. 3 by 4 means 75%. Done. So you can try question number B also, right? C also, D also, in this manner. In fraction, you count and find out. Look the diagram and find out. In percentage, convert this fraction which you get, that fraction you convert into percentage by just multiplying by 100. Any fraction when you multiply by 100, it will turn into percentage. Is that okay? So you try question number 1, B, C, D by yourself and solve it. Is that okay? Now let's go to question number 4, because question number 2 and 3 I have solved in my PPT. Now let's do question number 4. This is your question. Complete this rectangle shed 30%. In your answer, you need to copy this. After that, you need to shed 30%. That is your A question. B says, what percentage is unshaded? Is that okay? So you copy this and let's solve A. A solution. Okay, shed. You have to shed it. How many percent? 30%. You have to shed 30%. 30% of what? Very important question, right? 30% of what? Of what? Of this rectangle. Can you see your small boxes? They are talking about that. They already said copy this rectangle, shed 30% of this. So I wrote 30% of, how many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 times 4, 20 are there. To count this, there are 20 boxes. Okay? You see that? 30% of total. That is 20. Total is 20. Work it out, you will get the answer. 30%. Go step by step. 30, I wrote it. Percent means out of 100. I can do that. Right? It is here 30%, so they wrote it like that. 30% means 30 out of 100. Off means, in mathematics, off means, in math operations, off means what symbol? Multiply symbol. Remember that. Agree? 30, I wrote it. Percent means out of 100, it's here. Off means multiply sign. Now what left? 20. You see that? Can I cancel numerator 1, 0 and denominator 1, 0? Of course. Another numerator 1, 0 and denominator 1, 0. Yes. What is left? Only 3. In 2. 2. 1 also there in denominator, which we never show, right? 3 times 2, 6. You got me? 30% means 6. They told you to shed 30%. That means you need to shed 6 boxes. Got it? You can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm done with my A answer. Is that correct? Now, what percentage is unshaded? Oh, what percentage is not shaded? These are the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 out of, how many boxes are there? Out of 20, 14 is not shaded. You agree? Out of 20, 6 is shaded. See? Again, out of 20, obviously 14 is not shaded. Now find the percentage, because they ask you what percentage is unshaded. This is a fraction, and to convert this into percentage, you need to multiply by 100. Is that okay? You can do that. 2 times 5, 10. 5 for the G. 5 was the 5. 6. See that? Well, I'm done with this. Now let's go to B. What percentage is unshared? What percentage is unshared? How many are there in total? 20. How many are unshared? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are not yet shared. You see that? Now what percentage is this? All you need to do is multiply by 100, you will get percentage. Okay? 2 times 5, 10. 14 times 5. You see that shaded percentage is 30 and unshaded is 70. Okay? Now, one thing remember children, 30% is shaded. That means how many percentage is not shaded? 70. Just look, 30 is shaded means 70 is not shaded. Because 70 plus 30, 100. Percentage we're dealing only with 100. Is that okay? For example, I got 10%. Then how much you got? You got 90%. Because 90 plus 10, 100. Okay. Suppose my friend got 80%. How much I got? 20%. Is that okay? From one box, I found 40% good apple. So how many percent are bad apple? 60, right? Same. 30% are shaded. So how many are unshaded? Of course 70, correct? If you do calculation also, you will get. That is the concept you have to keep in your mind. Now, you can write B in this way. Since 30% is shaded, okay, so 70% is unshaded. Is it clear? Very easy to find. When 30% is shaded, that means automatically 70 is unshaded. Okay? Now let's go to the next question, that is 5. Okay, so right, that's the 5. It says, write a fraction. Yeah, they are a fraction. Is that as a percentage? Well, we have learned this, right? Solution 1, 4. I taught you 2 methods. Any methods you apply, it will work. Okay? So, any fraction, when you are trying to change into percentage, all you need to do is multiply it by 100. So, in this fraction, if I multiply by 100, I get percentage, right? Next step. And I cancel in 4 times 4 tables, will you get 100? Of course, 4 times 25 is 100. So 4 times 25 is 100. What is left? 21 multiply 25. They are percentage. 25 times 1, 25%. That's it. Okay? B. Solution 3 by 10. Fraction. So, any fractions, if you want to change into percentage, you need to multiply by 100. Then it will become percentage. In 10 times 10 table, will you get 100? Of course. 10 times 10, 100. 10 times 10, 100. Okay? 3 left, into sign, 10 left. 3 times 10, 30%. Oh. 1/4 means 25%. 3/10 means 30%. Can you do the rest? Of course. You try by yourself. Till then, children, stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much.